The Winton and Horsey coastline is a really important breeding area for grey seals. For example, last year we know that there were 3,500 seals born here.
We're here today to collect information using drones on the breeding grey seal population.
We're going to analyse the imagery that the drone captures using AI, and this is a really exciting new technique that we're trialling in Natural England.
This information will be used alongside other data to help contribute to the national picture of seal populations, and will also help in our understanding if drones can be an effective tool in monitoring different species at different sites.
So this is a really exciting and innovative project which we're doing. The drones and the AI really helps to complement the work that the volunteers do on the ground. As you can see behind me, it's really difficult to see the seals here on this vantage point, and the volunteers don't really want to get any closer because it will disturb the seals. So the drone really gives us this bird's eye view where you can see from above where all of the seals are. We can see behind all of the hills and get a much more accurate count without disturbing them.
This is a really important site for breeding grey seals on the east coast. Every year they come here in their thousands to pup during the winter months.
Here we're surveying 9 kilometres of coast. AI will count the seals in a few hours, and we can just leave that going on in the background while we do other important jobs. The AI provides a huge time-saving tool for us. We've been trialling it in a few different places, here at Horsey where we've got the sandy beach, and we've also trialled it down in Cornwall where we've got the rocky shore. And our ambition is that we can offer this to the local teams around the country to do similar seal counts.